Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2014 Isuzu NPR diesel. Stock number is 41959 if you'd like to take a look at it on their website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we want to make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, so that way anytime we put new product on the website, you'll be alerted and be able to check it out. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department. We wholesale the trucks we don't want, only keeping the best trucks for our customers to purchase. As we said, this is a 2014 Isuzu NPR. It's a 12,000 GVW. We've gone through a 150-point checklist. We've gone through the cabs, the bodies, tires, brakes, engine transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that were found, we run it through our service department, through our body shop. We've brought it out, done a QC on it. We've got it cleaned up, pictured up, doing the video for you to take a look at. On top of that 150-point check, we've gone through, we've changed the engine and oil filter, the air filter, the fuel filter. We've cleaned the DPF filter on this, and it's pre-qualified for AGWS extended warranty, so you can feel good about getting that when you make your purchase and take off in it. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As with all the Isuzu low cab Fords, they're very easy to get in and out of. We've got a captain's chair for the driver. We've got a two-person bench seat. And with all the Isuzus, you got that great outward visibility, but upward visibility. And the other nice thing about being a cab over, this truck has a smaller footprint compared to a comparable conventional truck with the same size body. We've got the AM/FM CD player, the air conditioner, cruise control, and as we said, this is diesel automatic. This truck is very easy to operate. Jump in here, put it in drive, and take off with it. And even though this is a 2014, it is cleaned up really nice, so it's going to be a really nice, safe, dependable, clean ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people are not aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the trucks. A lot of times when you're looking at pre-owned trucks, they're all beat up, they don't look real good. This truck has got a really nice 14-foot aluminum van body on it. It's got good rubber all the way around. Like we said, the DPF filter's been cleaned. This is a pretty unique truck we hadn't seen in a while. This is a 14-foot Vanscaper. So you can let either one ramp down, both ramps down at the same time, depending on what you're loading and unloading. You can pull your equipment up in here, shut the door, lock it, and you don't have to worry about anybody getting in it. And this particular unit we build here is nice because it's only a 2-foot instead of a 4-foot ramp on the system on the back, so it doesn't hang off as far, and you don't have all that overswing on it. This particular body is an aluminum. It's 14 foot, 85 tall, 96 wide. Got plenty of room to get all your mowers and stuff in. It's got the wood slats, and it's got the scuff all the way around, so if you hit something, it doesn't go all the way out and damage the aluminum. It's got a great aluminum roof with the LED dome light so your guys can see what's going on when it's dark. And the laminated hardwood's an excellent floor, is in excellent shape. Most of our customers just come into Industrial Power thinking we just do delivery trucks. As you can see with this, we have a lot of vocational trucks. We do have the big delivery trucks. We have the open body landscapes. We have the closed body landscapes and flatbeds to fit your needs. We can take this 2014, even though it looks really good, and go ahead and wrap the body, and we can do the cab if you'd like, with your name, phone number, design, and graphics, turning that fuel money into advertising money while this truck's going down the road for you. As we conclude this walk around, like we say, we've got a really nice 2014 Isuzu NPR diesel, pre-qualified for that extended warranty. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and we'd really like for you to go to our YouTube channel and hit that like and subscribe button, so when we put that new product on, you'll be notified immediately. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the cab on this truck, start it up, and do a little more intimate walk around of the truck, And as always, we appreciate your time.